In AutoCAD, there are many ways to work with objects other than simply clicking them or using a window to select them. By using the Select Similar command or right-click option, you can choose a single object and automatically select all of the similar objects in your drawing, often saving a lot of time. This can be useful to quickly select objects of the same type, lines, circles, or polygons, for instance, or objects that share properties like color, line type, or layer, depending on your settings. Once you've selected these objects, you can also use the isolation commands to make them easier to work with. When selecting similar objects in a drawing, you can use the Select Similar text command or right-click option to make selecting multiple objects in AutoCAD easy. This command can be a great way to quickly select all of the objects of the same color, layer, or line type in a drawing, allowing you to easily work with them in the drawing. Simply select an object, right-click, and choose Select Similar to select the matching objects in your drawing. You can choose which properties are being used when working with a Select Similar command by choosing them in the Setting dialog. To access it, simply type in Select Similar and enter SE or click Settings at the prompt. This will bring up the Select Similar Settings dialog box, and from here you can pick the properties to base your similar selection on. Object isolation is another tool that we can use when working in complicated and busy drawings. It can be helpful to isolate the objects you are working on by isolating a select group of objects. All of the other non-selected objects in the drawing are temporarily made invisible, making it easier to work on your selected objects. The command can be started from the right-click menu or by typing Isolate Objects. Similar to isolating objects, you can also hide selected objects in a busy drawing to help clear up an area, making it easier to draw in. When using the Hide Objects command or right-click option, all of the selected objects are temporarily suppressed, making the area cleaner and easier to work in. When you are finished editing or working in a cleaned up area of your drawing, you can end your object isolation or object hide by using the End Object Isolation right-click option.